Stacey Keith, people are seeing their premiums double. Fraud is driving that. Last year, the state received more than 1,700 tips or reports of property insurance fraud, but in the end, just 14 people were convicted. The question now, is Florida doing enough to deter this crime?
So we started at 1,700 and we held accountable 14 convictions, and that concerns me a little bit.
The Florida Department of Financial Services is responsible for stopping property insurance fraud. Lawmakers say the frequency of fraud, specifically roofing scams, is causing the market to collapse. At a House committee meeting in October, DFS Director Simon Blank was pressed on the agency's conviction rate.
Are we aggressively pursuing that?
Homeowner cases are in particularly kind of hard to work. They're very time-consuming.
Blank explains the complex cases. Here's how it often works. Contractors promise a free roof, submit an inflated claim, then sue the insurance company. The company eventually settles, losing millions and passing the cost down to you. For months, 8 on Your Side has documented the toll of soaring rates on homeowners.
We have got to be able to have more resources available to dedicated insurance prosecutors.
Jimmy Petronis is the head of DFS. At a news conference announcing grants to protect firefighters, we asked the CFO about fraud. So you're not happy with 14 people convicted last year. You want to see more people convicted for property insurance fraud.
I personally don't want to see anybody convicted, okay? The reason I don't want to see anybody convicted because the laws right now are allowing this sketchy activity. I can't call it illegal because it's not illegal.
Well, you're convicting people, so it is illegal. They're committing fraud.
And what we are prosecuting are those that have really made a mistake in their unscrupulous business scheme they've got.
I'm just trying to get a sense of if you need more help to fight this.
I can always use more help, but the help that we really need is with the Florida legislature to close the loopholes that are allowing the gaming of the system. That is what's driving your insurance rates up.
The CFO seemed to say you cannot enforce your way out of this. Now, the day after that exchange, Petronis announced that he wanted to hire 23 new people to fight property insurance fraud. That request will be made to lawmakers during the special session. In the Tampa newsroom, Mahsa Saeidi, 8 on Your Side.
Thank you, Mahsa. And if you have something you would like Mahsa to investigate,